Gidigidi a ekoso ewo honom ya ayese ntokwa bi na eyiniti ewo honom no ehusua enye ntokwa na emom eye Ghana Standard Authority for na ama omohom ne so a omo akwakwakoti eye ta company no se so atua company si utimu se Ghana emra ankasa other foreign companies ahodo a ewo Ghana ha sei omo ediso adi manufacture enema ahodo dodo na no company ya eye Ghana Standard Authority for akwakwoti omo so atua de omo senya de omo de samra no ebe ya dwuma enema ahodo a omo produce ewo eye company hono bi te se mattress eye daso yi enema ahodo a eye papa ewo se omo de yesa enema we se nyina no companies yi afa isumase eye enema ensem fata ana omo de eba edwaso sesi a Ghana Standard Authority for akwakote omo so atua ensem ahodo dodo na ekoso company eno na yehu enema ahodo nso omo ye no ebi ana etwagui na mesro yempomrem na yentie se de ensem na nkasa no esitiefa.
Hello. Fuck. Let's use the alcohol.
Hello.
Let's use the alcohol.
Yeah.
No. Go. Be gentle.
Go. Put in. Go. Go. Okay. Come, what's alcohol? Okay lah. What's the gun put in for you? Put down for you.
Light.
师傅，hello。
那个大的我没拉。
OK 了，
大的，来，大的，
啥子这个人？咋不够了？差不多。对呀，怎么回事
？Let's go. It's okay. Where's the lady? But we have to hold on for the place to be locked before we go. Yeah. Doc, watch out. Yeah. Please. Doc, we have to stay here, lock the...
Look at this material. When you press it, if you want, just let's do a demo and you'll see. It has failed. And these people are manufacturing this product, selling them cheap, which is affecting fair trade. Other companies that we are aware of, major companies, latest Form and Co, cannot compete again because these people are using less. In fact, the material that they are using is substandard, is cheap. So they will price their product cheap. Then you and I, my sister, your mother in the village will go and buy this one. When you sleep on it and you wake up, you have backaches. These are the cause of them. So we need to stop it here and now. If the country is on a reset, Ghana Standard Authority, we are resetting, we are refocusing, we are recalibrating, and we are going to rise. GSA of those days is not now. As you see, me and my men, we are fully jacked up. We are on the course to make sure that we rid this market of substandard products.
So now that they've broken the law, what consequences are you going to give?
Yeah, fortunately, we have come with police, with the CID, all those who are the managers of this facility, we will pick up and process for court. That is what that's going to be the deterrent effect, because we have realized that after shutting down the place and giving them that time, so that we'll make sure that we develop that standard. They've taken opportunity to break down the seal, and they are manufacturing illegally. And through our intelligence and market surveillance, we have seen most of these products that are still in the market. And so how do we stop this? Do we go to the market or come to the source? We have decided to come to the source to shut it down. We don't want to be mopping the floor when the tap is open. We're going to make sure that the tap is closed permanently until we get standards for this material that they are using. They've made it in a way that they will put the fine material at the top. Now, most of the poly material that is substandard is put beneath. So you will not know. And through our tests at the lab, we have discovered that these mattresses, they have failed. They fail the minimum standard. They fail the compression rate. Okay? So that's what we're going to do. There are about 4 factories around this enclave. There are about 4 factories. So those 4 factories are going to be shut down simultaneously. As I speak, there's another team at the other side that we have dropped them there. They are doing the same thing. When we finish this, we'll meet again and we'll give a proper briefing. Okay? Thank you very much.
Let's go.
Yeah, so this is a chemical they use in the manufacture of this substandard mattresses. Polyethylene. As far as GSA is concerned, this chemical is not approved. It's unapproved. These are non-biodegradable chemicals. And they have impact on the environment too, as well as human health. So all this about this. This is what they translate into what you see inside there. Those hard mattresses. That when you sleep and you wake up, you will feel back aches. They have failed all our tests, all our critical parameters. Compression rate, they have failed. So these are products that we cannot allow in the Ghanaian market. It's unacceptable. So that's why we're here to make sure that this factory, as far as GS is concerned, it is shut down, pending standard development.
What's the name of the factory?
It's a Jing Zhonghuan. It's some Chinese name. But there are about 4 factories in this enclave.
Are they under Bright International?
We are aware of Bright Homes. Bright Homes is also a factory that also we have issues with. There's a ZXZ. There are about 4 factories. So my other colleagues are at the other side. From here we'll move them. We'll make sure that all of them are locked, and all those who are involved, the CID are around. They will pick them, process them for court. Come on. You press to go there. Come on. This one is good. It's right. All this one come on. Hello.
We are to Bravo. On doesn't understand. Does he speak English? Good afternoon. Does he speak English? If you can't speak English, how do you communicate with him? You do translation. You speak but do you speak their language?
No. Through phone.
Through phone that you communicate. Okay. Then you should stop whatever that he's doing now. The place was locked up, you are aware. Ghana Standard Authority came to lock the place. That their material has not really passed through their hands. It has not been tested. So they are not supposed to work. And they have opened on their own. That's why we are here. Yes.
Anania.
I don't want to cut your hair.
Please don't cut my hair.
Any part, you know, go to see it.
It's March. Yes.
So what?
Phone number. Phone number.
Let me see.
Your name to here. Write your name. What? Jim. Is it Jim? Yeah. Okay. Then what's located at Fina?
Let's see the passport.
Yeah. What's your passport? Yeah. Let me see. What's the time?
Yeah, make we know the company name. Like
The company name is. You did it.
the company name. This is the company name.
Them documented right. That side is where the mats are. The mattresses are, and they are working from there. Yes. Grace. There's a way there. I don't think there's a barrier there. There's a back door.
No, okay.